In this lesson, I just want to touch base on stairs. Basically, with stairs, you can go and select any of the options from your catalogue. So basically, let's come to a straight flight and we'll just have a look at the parameters of a stairs. We can have different types of stairs, such as a notch stringer, a stringer that's under, a side stringer, solid. Just be aware that under the stairs you can then create ramps. So basically that's where you create ramps. Under the layout you can have a straight flight or a spiral to the right. I find that this list is quite confusing, so if you push the button underneath it you'll then get a series of diagrams that is much easier to select from. The details of the stairs, you can go through and you can say, okay, I want to show the cut lines or I don't want to show the cut lines. What the cut lines are is how it's sort of cut on your floor plan view. So if I turn those cuts off, it won't appear. So basically, it doesn't matter what sort of stairs you want. You can just bring it in and just pick a point on the building, on the floor where you want to. What I tend to do is I tend to just bring a straight flight in and then go and change it. So basically, if I wanted to change that to a sort of a turnaround set of stairs going up onto a landing and then back up again to upstairs, I would then just go to my layout, select my diagram to go and select the shape I want, and let's say I want this fold back right option. So therefore on the right hand side there's the staircase. Alright, you'll notice there's a gap in the middle, and what happens is it's got a number of segments. It's got segment number 1, which is stair number 1, then it has a landing. If I drop the arrow down, then I have stair 3. So I've got segments, I've got 3 segments I've got to work my way through. So on stair 1 you'll notice that it's 1524 wide. It's just the way Envisioneer puts most of them in. I want that to be a metre. So if I change that to be a metre and then click out of it, see what it did to the side over here? It sort of splayed the stairs. So I want the top and the bottom to be a metre. Okay, then I go to my landing. There's another 1524. The width of it is C, so I want to make that a metre. I want to make the depth of it a metre. I want to make the overall width 2 metres. See, I'm starting to build it up. The only thing I've got to do is do that top one, which will come into the 3rd set of stairs, and there it is there. Make that a metre, and there you have it. Okay, come back to the first one and come back to the basics. I can then say, okay, I want 18 treads, or you want 16, whatever you're happy with the riser. Okay, so if I go back to 16, notice it's made at 150. We don't want to exceed the 190 here in Australia, so basically that gives me my set of stairs. I'm happy with that. Hit OK, there it is. Now, putting that into the building itself, I find, let's just go and draw a few walls in here. And if I come over here and draw a U shape, make that internal distance 2 metres. Okay, to put that in and go and move it into place, I actually can't get it into place. Alright, so let's say that that is my house. So what I tend to do is I tend to build my stairs outside or in a room big enough that I can change the size of it. I can grab that and rotate it around, do what I like with it. Okay, then when I'm finished, I'm happy with a set of stairs, I then move it into the room. What I have to do is come down to my collision, turn that off, and I normally turn my ortho off. Then with my stairs highlighted, I can right click and go move, grab the endpoint, drag it in, and it'll just drop into there, and there's my staircase inside the walls. Go and turn my ortho and my collision back on, and now you have it. Alright? Thank you.